Choosing the right car polisher can be tricky. Weak motors, uneven polishing, heavy vibration, or limited mobility often lead to poor results and wasted time. That's why the right machine makes all the difference. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best car polishers of 2026. Powerful, reliable, and designed for everything from light detailing to deep paint correction. We analyzed specs, real user feedback, and overall performance to build this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Like, comment, and subscribe for more smart auto tool reviews.
Number 5. BATOCA S4 Cordless Car Polisher. The BATOCA S4 is a versatile cordless car polisher featuring both 3mm and 12mm random orbital options for fine polishing and light correction. Powered by dual 2.0 Ah lithium batteries, it delivers consistent performance without cable restrictions. Its lightweight body reduces hand fatigue, while the brushless style efficiency ensures smooth operation. Ideal for waxing, polishing, and swirl removal, this machine is perfect for DIY users who want flexibility, portability, and professional-looking results at home.
Number 4. AUTIWOZ Dual Action Car Polisher 920W. The AUTIWOZ 920W Dual Action Polisher offers strong wired performance for serious detailing tasks. With a 9mm random orbital movement, it safely removes oxidation, swirl marks, and light scratches while protecting paint surfaces. The powerful motor delivers steady torque, making it suitable for polishing, waxing, and sealing. Ergonomic grips and speed control improve comfort and precision during long sessions. A solid choice for users who want reliable power and consistent results.
Number 3. SPTA 12V Cordless Mini Car Polisher. The SPTA 12V Cordless Mini Polisher is designed for precision detailing in hard-to-reach areas. Its rotary/dual action capability helps remove micro-scratches, polish trims, and refine paint edges with ease. Adjustable speed control allows better handling on delicate surfaces, while the compact size ensures excellent maneuverability. The built-in battery provides cordless convenience, making it perfect for interior detailing, headlights, mirrors, and spot corrections.
Number 2. MAXXT 6-inch 150mm Orbital Car Polisher. The MAXXT 6-inch Orbital Polisher features a powerful brushless motor for efficient and long-lasting performance. Designed with a central vacuum system, it helps reduce dust buildup during sanding and polishing tasks. The 150mm pad size covers large panels quickly, making it ideal for professional detailing and paint preparation. Smooth orbital action, strong torque, and durable construction make this tool suitable for polishing, sanding, and surface correction on cars and other vehicles.
Number 1. ONEVAN Brushless Cordless Car Polisher. The ONEVAN Brushless Cordless Polisher is the most powerful option on this list, delivering up to 2,000 watts of high-performance output. Compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, it offers excellent torque for polishing, waxing, and paint correction without cable limitations. The brushless motor ensures efficiency, durability, and reduced heat buildup. With strong speed control and a comfortable handheld design, this polisher is ideal for both professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts. A good car polisher saves time, improves finish quality, and protects your vehicle's paint. These 5 models offer different power levels, mobility options, and features for every detailing need. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, there's a perfect polisher here. Which one would you choose? Comment below and subscribe for more auto tool reviews.